Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 27th, 2026, and we're diving into Northrop Grumman's recently released fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Northrop Grumman, a leader in aerospace and defense technology, has just reported their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from record backlog to strong sales growth.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Northrop Grumman reported a 10% increase in fourth quarter sales, reaching $11.7 billion. For the full year, sales were up 2% to $42 billion. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
These figures indicate robust growth, particularly in the fourth quarter. The increase in sales is driven by strong performance across their segments, especially in aeronautics and mission systems. The operating income also saw a significant rise of 17% to $1.3 billion, with an operating margin rate of 10.9%, reflecting efficient cost management and operational execution.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Northrop Grumman's segments have shown varied performance. Can you break down the segment results for us?
Absolutely. Aeronautics Systems led with an 18% increase in sales, driven by programs like the F-35 and TACAMO. Defense Systems saw a 7% rise, thanks to new awards and increased volume on key programs. Mission Systems and Space Systems also performed well, with sales increases of 10% and 5% respectively, highlighting the company's strategic focus on high-demand areas.
Cash flow and financial health. Cash flow is a critical aspect of financial health. How did Northrop Grumman fare in this area?
The company generated $4.8 billion in operating cash flow and $3.3 billion in free cash flow, reflecting strong cash generation capabilities. They managed to reduce capital expenditures by 18%, which contributed to the increase in free cash flow. However, interest expenses rose slightly to $665 million, which is something to keep an eye on.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Northrop Grumman provided for 2026?
The company projects mid-single-digit sales growth, with sales expected between $43.5 billion and $44 billion. They anticipate segment operating income to be in the range of $4.85 billion to $5 billion, and MTM-Adjusted EPS between $27.40 and $27.90. Free cash flow is projected to be between $3.1 billion and $3.5 billion, indicating continued strong financial performance.
CEO insights and strategic vision. What insights did CEO Kathy Warden provide regarding the company's strategic vision?
Kathy Warden emphasized the company's focus on aligning with customer priorities and investing in differentiating technology. She highlighted the record backlog of $95.7 billion as a strong foundation for future growth, supporting their 2026 outlook. This strategic positioning is crucial for maintaining their competitive edge in the aerospace and defense sector.